Permanently deleting photos on the Google Pixel 9 ensures that deleted images are completely removed from the device, preventing any chance of recovery and freeing up storage space. Here's how you can easily do it. First, open the Photos app and find the photos you want to delete. For example, if I want to delete these 3 photos, I'll select them. Tap on the delete icon and then choose Move to Trash. This removes the photos from your main gallery, but they're still on your phone and can be recovered. To permanently delete them, go to Collections and select Trash. Here, you'll see your recently deleted photos and videos, which will stay for 60 days if backed up, or 30 days if they aren't backed up, before being permanently deleted. If you want to delete them immediately, tap on Select, choose the photos you want to delete permanently, and then tap Delete again. Confirm the action, and now these photos are permanently deleted and can't be recovered. And that's it. Now you know how to permanently delete photos and videos on your Google Pixel 9. Thanks for watching. Drop any questions in the comments, and good luck.